Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for wedding planning. First, open Canva and search for wedding to explore thousands of beautiful templates. You can easily customize these designs for invitations, save the dates, and thank you cards. Canva allows you to collaborate with your partner or wedding planner, making design decisions together. Plus, you get access to a huge library of fonts, graphics, and stock photos to personalize every detail of your special day. Next, let's focus on crafting your wedding invitations. Select from hundreds of elegant templates, then personalize the text, colors, and images to perfectly match your wedding theme. Remember to include all crucial details, such as the date, time, and venue, clearly. Once your design is perfect, download it in high resolution. You can then print it professionally or share it digitally with your guests, ensuring a beautiful first impression. Beyond invitations, Canva helps you create a full suite of coordinated wedding stationery. Easily design matching RSVP cards, menus, and place cards to maintain a cohesive look. You can also craft welcome signs, seating charts, and wedding programs, all reflecting your unique style. Using Canva's brand kit feature, you can apply your chosen colors and fonts consistently across every single item, ensuring a polished and professional presentation for your big day. Finally, here are some tips for a seamless Canva wedding design experience. Begin with a clear vision for your wedding's aesthetic to guide your choices. Always save your designs frequently to prevent any loss of progress. Explore Canva's extensive library of free elements, or consider premium options for even more unique assets. Lastly, share your designs with trusted friends or family for feedback before finalizing and sending them to print, ensuring everything is perfect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.